stage. So this is a little bit of a shorter stage, and I'm going to concentrate more on the governance side of things. But essentially, this links back to the CAF Foundation, so the policies and the different rules and procedures that you have as part of that CAF Foundation. But the key thing that you need to do here, and this is what, again, the CAF will put forward, is that you need to establish those governance baselines. And the three core ways of doing that is making sure that you've got a corporate policy. So making sure that you've got a proper scope and there's tangible risks through your corporate policies. If your organization doesn't have a corporate policy, then it's well worth, again, this could be used as a stakeholder engagement piece about making sure you have that corporate policy in place. And then from that, you'll be able to put in governance disciplines. So basically bringing everybody together. Everybody should be aware of governance. Everybody should be of an understanding of what governance looks like for that for your organization. And really it helps you to then drill down into your corporate policy and puts it into actionable disciplines. And then adopting a cloud governance team, so being able to have people that are responsible for making sure there's consistency, making sure it's even deployed in the first place, and even it can even be used to accelerate deployment through those governance baselines. So once you've got those sort of three top level pillars, then you've got the 5 disciplines of cloud governance: your cost management, your security baseline, making sure your resources are consistent, your identity baseline, and then obviously enabling that deployment acceleration. And as I said, those are the key elements of that CAF Foundation. So as part of that ready stage, getting you ready for migration, these are all things that you need to make sure. And obviously everything, it's like a stack of cards, everything falls into one. If you haven't done the planning stage correctly, you haven't done the strategic stage correctly, then obviously that ready phase is not going to be a solid foundation for these moving forward in terms of your migration and then your ongoing governance.